Welcome to our kitchen. If you struggle with picky eaters, you need to watch this. Why do 90% of parents struggle with picky eaters? Let's flip the script with a fun and tasty recipe: chicken stick lollipops. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need chicken breast, breadcrumbs, an egg, salt, pepper, and some skewers. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now set up your breading station. Beat the egg in one bowl and pour breadcrumbs into another. Dip each chicken piece into the egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs. Thread the chicken onto skewers, making little lollipops. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken sticks on a baking tray and pop them in the oven for 20-25 minutes, or until golden brown. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kid-friendly recipes. While they bake, whip up a quick dipping sauce with some yogurt and a pinch of herbs. And there you have it. Fun, delicious chicken stick lollipops that are perfect for little hands. Enjoy the smiles and empty plates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kid-friendly recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.